Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OnePlus Pad Go 2. In this video let me show you how to fix system user interface not responding on this device. So you have two main options how you can do that. You can reset cache by performing soft system user interface reset, or the second option is that you can clear your cache using recovery mode. Let's start with the first method. Let's open settings and you want to scroll down to apps section. Now let's tap app management. Now in the top right tap this three dot button and tap show system. Now you will get this very long list and you want to search here for system user interface. Let's tap here and you can see storage usage section. Let's go here, and under this section cache you want to tap clear cache. After this, please restart your tablet. Okay, and now let's perform the second option with recovery mode. So to do that, to enter recovery mode, first of all you want to completely power off your device. Let's press and hold your power button. Let's press power off, and after this you want to hold power button and volume down button simultaneously. Okay, and now on your screen you have to select your language. Let's go to English, and now let's go to format data, and on your screen you can see this verification code that you have to enter. Of course, do not enter that code that I had, and let's tap format section. Let's wait until the data until cache is wiped. Let's tap OK, and after this you have to wait until your device reboots and turns on. Okay, so finally we've made it. We factory reset our device, and after this you have to set it up. Yes, so please do not forget that this factory reset permanently deletes all personal data, including your photos, applications, contacts, etc. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.